On your mark. Get set. Go.
What's a set? So just to clear things up, I actually do know what a set is. And after this video, so will you. So let's say we have a list of, for instance, the results from a survey of people's favorite fruits. There's bound to be some duplicates in that list because lists allow duplicates. But what if we want to have a situation where we don't want to have duplicates in our data set? We want to know that everything in there is unique. Like, for instance, the months of the year. We don't want to have 2 Octobers in our set of months in the year. That wouldn't make any sense. So that's where it enters our brand new data structure. A drum roll, please. The set. A set is a collection of items. It's unordered, but you know that every item in the set is unique. To make a set, it's just like making a list or a tuple, except instead of brackets or parentheses, we're going to use curly braces. So we could write, for instance, A equals curly brace 1, 2, 3. Notice that if I say A equals 1, 2, 2, and then I say print A, it's only going to print 1, 2 because in a set there's no duplicates, so they're only going to print one of the 2's. You can add and remove items in a set, but you can't change an item in a set. To add an item, you simply would just say whatever the name of your set is, so like A.add, and then in parentheses, the item you want to add. If you want to remove an item from a set, you can simply just say A.remove and then the item that you're trying to remove. Now, if the item isn't actually in the set, you're going to get an error. So there's also another method you can use, discard, which will remove the item if it's there, and if it isn't, it just won't do anything. So that could be better in some situations, but remove is better if you actually want to have an error when you can't remove the thing. So different options. Now, going back to our fruit example, if we have our list of fruit and we want to turn it into a set of fruit, we can just use the set function that's built into Python. So we just write set, and then in parentheses, the name of our list, fruits, and then we can save that as our new set of unique fruits. And there's a lot more that you can do with sets, and we'll be diving into it next time.